This video applies for musicians starting an undergraduate degree with us here at WaterBear. If you plan to apply for student finance, please follow these steps to make sure you get your money in time for starting your course. Applying online is the quickest and easiest way for you to apply for student finance. It can take up to 6 weeks to process your application, so best to apply as soon as possible and definitely by the deadline. If you apply late, your money may be late too. Don't worry, if you don't have a confirmed place at uni yet, you can still apply, just use your preferred choice, and if you need to, you can change the details online later. When making your application, you'll need these things: your passport, your NI number, and your bank details. Now, your bank account does need to be in your name, so if you haven't got one, you will need to open one so the money can get to you. Set some time aside to do your application. Shouldn't take you more than 30 minutes to complete. Some student finance can depend on your household income. This is your parents' or guardians' or partner's income that's taken into account, so they will often need to provide some information on your application too. Applications cannot be processed without all of the required information, so be sure to provide all information requested to avoid any delays in the processing of your application. If you need any help with your student finance application, please do get in touch. We'll be able to answer any questions you might have.